What's up, tech lovers? Welcome to this new tutorial video presented by IQcodec. So today in the video today we're going to be looking at something very easy. So I'm going to show you how to pause off your WhatsApp. For example, you're actually reading or you're in a meeting, you don't want disturbances, receiving notification when new messages arrive on your WhatsApp. So some phones actually come with the option freeze. So like my phone, you can actually freeze the app, but for those phones that don't have the freeze app embedded in the operating system already, so we're going to be using an application name Pose. So Pose, you can actually find it on Play Store and download it on your Android device. So the name, as the name says, is Pose It. So Pose It, once you search on Play Store, here's the app, you install it. Once it's installed, you're going to user interface. So this trick is actually very good, particularly if you're a student while studying, you don't want disturbances, or you're in a meeting or something that important. So first of all, make sure WhatsApp is installed and you have a WhatsApp account already open with your WhatsApp number. So also, you can see we have pause it, we have study server, we have meeting mode. So we actually started at the pause it function and the meeting mode. So if you activate this pause it, you actually go through WhatsApp to detect, oops, yes, an ad, you close the ad. So you're going to pause your WhatsApp, so you just activate. And as you pause it, stop WhatsApp when WhatsApp is not running in the background. Make sure to remove WhatsApp from background running application before activating pause it. So make sure before remove WhatsApp from, so that is it. Okay, so once it's done, if you check, WhatsApp will not have internet, but you will still use internet in other apps. So you can see that is that about the application. So it is pretty cool. So this data notification actually tells you how the app is very functional. So even though you have internet connection in your Android device, WhatsApp will not use the internet because you have paused it. So just now, each time you receive a message, you're not going to get notified on your WhatsApp. So I'll show you, try this and it's gonna work. So the other app is actually called, the other feature, let me disable it back. The other feature that we'll have is we'll have meeting mode. So meeting mode, by the name says, is very important. For example, let us take, you're in a meeting, I don't want disturbances, so you activate the meeting mode. You're going to schedule it when the meeting starts and when the meeting is going to be over. So it's going to dedicate a period of time that WhatsApp won't receive internet, even though your phone is connected to internet. And once this time elapses, WhatsApp will start receiving internet and your message are going to pop up as notification. So just select the time duration. So if the meeting, let us say the meeting lasts for, if I can say yes, 8 minutes, that is it. I click on up. Okay, pause it, stop WhatsApp when background is not running. So yeah, WhatsApp is going to be paused for 8 minutes. Once the 8 minutes are going to be off, WhatsApp is going to turn back to normal. So that is it. So that is all about this video. So thanks for watching it. So I just made it brief, as easy as possible. So have a nice day. See you next in my tutorial. I wish you the best. Bye.